Hello, Jessica here, your Facebook marketing coach. And this week I want to talk about the 3 reasons why your business needs to learn how to run Facebook ads properly. Number 1, you can target people who live by postcodes. Number 2, you can target people who live within 5-10 kilometers of your address. And number 3, when using the reach objective, you can set up a call to action button called Call Now. And when someone clicks on this button, it automatically opens up their telephone with your business's phone number. So all they need to do is dial your business. Now this leads me into my freebie for the week, which is if you'd like a step-by-step, start to finish checklist on how to set up a Call Now Facebook ad, visit my website. It's jrmedia.com.au and download your free checklist today. Until next week, guys. See you later.